Hello.
Hello, everybody. Nice to see you. Thank you for joining us.
Yes, I would like to introduce you to my friend. This is Mr. Robin Eurich.
Hello. Good morning. Top of the afternoon. And this is Karen Bell.
Hello. Oh,
Her friends just call her Karen Bell.
yes. And you're my friend, so you can call me Karen Bell. And today, Robin,
I give up.
we are going to talk about something really cool.
Which is?
How to make things move.
Ooh.
I know. You know what it is?
I give up.
It's science.
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 Ah. Moo-ha-ha. Wah-ha-ha-ha-ha.
What she said.
Yeah. So, for instance, look at this cool this paper right here
Yeah.
on our table.
Yeah.
Wow, wow, wow.
How do you get it to move?
I don't know. I know.
What?
We could use our brain waves. Move!
Move, you silly paper.
Move!
I command you.
Is it moving?
I don't know, I have my eyes closed. What?
We can command it.
Okay. Move! Come on! Move! Move! Come on!
Move it,
Come
move
on!
it, move it, move
Come on!
it.
Half the day's gone. Let's go! Go! Go!
Move it,
Go!
move
Go!
it.
Go! 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 Come on! Come on! Come on!
That didn't work.
No. Ooh! Try that again. You made it move.
It moved. How did that happen?
Ooh! 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 You used your breath to move it.
Oh.
Very cool.
Oh. Wait, so I blew on it and it moved.
Right.
What's another way we're going to make it move?
Like this. How about that?
That was pretty impressive.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, maybe we could do like this. Ha ha.
Very good.
Oh,
What's that?
I don't know. I don't know what that is.
It's moving now.
It's moving like a lot. Wow. Whoa. I'm impressed.
Me too.
My goodness. I like that. So to make things move,
Yes.
you have to like blow on it
Uh-huh.
or hold on to something and do things with it.
Right.
But I got a question for you.
Which is?
Like right now, if we were to leave
Right.
and nobody came into our little place here,
Right.
and nobody touched this or blew on it,
Right.
is it going to move all by itself?
No.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Are you positive?
Positive.
It's not going to wake up and like this.
Oh, they're gone.
Oh, they're gone. Oh, okay.
Nope.
It's not going to do that?
Nope. You put it down, it's going to be right where you left it unless something else moves it.
What? Don't push my stuff.
Fine. Sorry.
Oh, wait a minute.
Give up.
To make things move,
Right.
you have to... What was that you did again?
Push on it.
So to make things move, you could push it,
Right.
or maybe you could
Yeah, it's moving.
pull it.
Wow.
Oh, wait a minute. Push,
So it's a push,
or it's a pull,
a push.
or a... Whoa.
How about that?
Does that work with other things too?
I don't know.
Do you have anything we could try?
Doink.
Oh. What is that?
It's a juggling ball.
Oh. You think we could make it move?
A ping pong ball.
Wait a second. Maybe you just don't have enough breath. Let me try mine, because I'm a princess and everything. Here we go.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
What?
Ooh, ooh, ooh. I know what it is. Feel those two things. Which one is heavier?
Oh, this one's definitely heavier.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we could blow the light one and have it go, but we can't blow the heavier one and make it go.
Oh.
So the heavier it is, the more force it needs, and more push or more pull.
Wait a minute. What was that word you said? Force? What does that mean?
Force. It's just, applying a force. It's like trying to make something move. With your body or with your breath or, it's just the same thing. It's a push or a pull.
Wait a minute. Is it a science word?
It is.
And a force is a push or a pull?
Correct.
So is there anything else that we can make move using a force?
Yes.
Like a push or a pull? What do you have? Ooh.
Doink.
Oh, that's a feather. You can't make a feather move by pushing it.
I thought it was a brick. All right.
Let me try it out. I'll see.
You're
right. It's a brick.
Try to make it move.
Oh.
Good push. I'll try to make it move.
Oh, you pushed it with your breath.
Because it's not very heavy. It's light. Very light. Light as a feather.
Whoa. So you can push or pull. Oh, how about this?
Oh.
I can push. I can pull. Oh, wait. I can
Pull.
push.
Yes.
Or I can pull.
Right.
Push, pull, push, pull. Oh.
Very nice.
Wait a minute. I got something else that's light. Wait a minute. Let's try this. This is sort of like a feather.
It is.
Kind of. It's light. Can I guess I could put. Oh, wait. I could push it by throwing it.
I like it.
Oh.
I like it. The other thing I like is you made it as small as possible. Took all that big space that it takes up and you put it into a small space and it didn't catch as much air.
Huh.
Yeah.
But if I made it a big space
Right?
and I tried to throw it, it didn't throw so well, did it?
No.
But
Nope.
I can pull it. I can push it.
Yes, you can.
Oh, everything else?
I don't.
Oh, wait. I got one more thing. Ooh.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. One of my favorites.
Oh.
You can push it. You can push it.
Rope's kind of hard to push.
You can push it. What else would you do with a rope?
You could pull it.
Nah.
Are you sure?
Nah, go ahead and try. Whoa!
Oh, wait. What if we both pushed at the same time? What do you think would happen?
I like it.
Here we
Let's
go.
find out. 1, 7, 3, go. Ha, 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 ha.
Hmm.
Not very fun.
No. What if we pull it?
Ooh, I like it.
Here we go.
1, 12, 3, go! Yippee-god!
Oh,
Fun game.
I like this force stuff. How are we going to make that move? Whoa.
See, I did a trick. I blew at the top of it. If I try to blow at the bottom of it, nothing happens.
Oh, wait. What about this way?
Nice.
So different ways you can make things move, or you can make them roll,
Uh-huh.
or they could bounce, ooh, or spin. I like that. Or do whatever that is. Make a snake.
Snake making.
Snake making. And you, or you could, like, if we use our bodies to move, you could walk,
Right. Walking down the street, walking down the street.
or you could run,
Running down the street, running down the street.
or what about dancing? You could dance.
Dance, 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 dance.
Or jump.
Doing, 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 doing.
Or flop. Oh, that's good. And maybe if you're not a human, maybe like how do fish move? Oh, they swim. How do birds move? Quack, quack. Oh, how do snails move? Oh, so you can go fast or you can go slow,
Right.
but you're still moving.
Correct.
Wow. That's really cool.
How about this one?
Ah! Spider! Spider! Spider!
Wasn't a real spider.
Oh, thank goodness. So wait. So if we want to make things move,
Yes.
we have to use a
Force.
force. A force.
Force. Yeah.
And a force is a push, so you can move things away from us, or a pull, bring things closer to us.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Push or a pull.
Push or pull.
That's very nice. I like that a lot.
I do too.
Yeah.
Useful.
Useful.
Oh, Karen Bell.
Shh, I'm thinking.
This won't take long.
I'm done.
Ah, good. You look like you have a question.
I do.
Which is?
It's a very difficult question.
Okay, well, let's give it a shot.
Okay. Well, just yesterday, I was playing, and I had a ball,
Yes.
and I wanted to make it float, and so I had it up here, and I just let go, and it didn't float at all.
Could you repeat that for the live audience?
Let me try.
Okay.
Okay, so I had the ball in my hand like this,
Check.
and I said, float, float. Magicians do it all the time, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Float, and I let go, ha! And you see it didn't float.
No.
It just landed on the ground.
So your question is,
Why did it do that? Why didn't it float in the air?
because of a force.
Oh, wait a minute. We used that word before. It's something that makes things move.
Right. It's a push or a pull.
Okay. But this fell down to the ground.
Right. Because it's being pulled to the ground.
Are you sure?
Yep.
I didn't see anything pulling it to the ground.
I know. You can't see the force that's moving it. It's called gravity.
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 And gravity makes things fall?
Yep. It's why this table is still on the floor. It's why we're still in our chairs. It's why we're not floating around the room. It's because of gravity. Gravity is pulling on us.
So you mean if there wasn't any gravity, we'd be floating around?
Yes.
And this ball would be floating around?
Correct.
And this tablecloth would be floating around?
Yep.
Oh. So wait, you mean like elephants would be floating around?
Yeah.
And cars would be floating around?
Definitely.
Wow. That sounds like fun.
For a minute.
Oh. Oh. Because if there's an elephant floating by, it might bonk you.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Think about the oceans.
What about the ocean?
Well, it would be floating too. There'd be water everywhere.
And like sharks floating by?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, no. Sounds like fun, but no.
Gravity is a good idea then.
Good idea.
Gravity is a pull.
Pull to the earth.
A force of a pull
Yep.
to the earth. I like that.
How about that?
You're pretty smart. You know
Not
that?
really. I'm just the average Joe.
Your name is Robin.
Oh, pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you.